Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is part 6 of my 10-part series on artificial intelligence. In today's episode, everything revolves around the topic of AI in the workplace. So sit back and join me on this exciting journey into the future of work. If this topic captivates you and you don't want to miss an episode, it's best to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. That way, you won't miss anything. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has long since made its way into many areas of our professional lives. Whether in production, in the office, or in customer service, AI systems help us complete tasks faster and more accurately. In this video, I explain how AI is changing everyday work life, what new opportunities arise for companies and employees, and what challenges need to be addressed. I also discuss how traditional work processes can be restructured through the use of artificial intelligence and the role of further training in this transformation. Automation and efficiency increase. A key advantage of artificial intelligence in the workplace is the automation of repetitive tasks. In the industry, robots and intelligent machines are used to optimize production processes and minimize error rates. AI-supported software solutions take over administrative tasks like data processing, accounting, or scheduling, enabling faster processing. Through this automation, employees can be relieved of time-consuming routine tasks and instead focus on creative, strategic, or consulting activities. The result is a significant increase in efficiency and productivity, which simultaneously contributes to a better work-life balance. Let's look at how companies can reduce costs and strategically reallocate resources by using artificial intelligence. AI in administration and office settings. Modern office environments benefit in many ways from AI applications. Intelligent assistant systems organize emails, manage calendars, and coordinate meetings, often without the user having to actively intervene. Chatbots and virtual assistants answer customer inquiries in real time, relieving support and drastically reducing wait times. Automated translation tools enable seamless communication across language barriers and support international teams. In addition to these applications, I explain how AI also contributes to optimizing internal processes and improving collaboration in distributed teams. Modern collaboration tools are becoming increasingly intelligent by prioritizing tasks and analyzing information flow in real time, for example. Another significant area where artificial intelligence plays an important role is research and development. In this industry, AI helps to identify patterns in large data sets and gain new insights. For example, in drug development or materials research, simulations and modeling that used to take weeks or months can now be completed in a few hours or even minutes. I also delve into case studies on how companies bring innovative products to market faster using artificial intelligence and thus gain a competitive advantage. The combination of data-driven analyses and creative solution approaches makes it possible to efficiently transform research findings into market-ready innovations. Artificial intelligence in customer service and support. In customer service, the direct benefits of artificial intelligence are particularly evident. Chatbots and virtual assistants answer customer inquiries around the clock, providing fast and consistent solutions. AI-driven analyses help better understand customer behavior and needs, enabling customized offers to be created. It quickly becomes apparent how these technologies not only increase customer satisfaction, but also assist companies in relieving their support teams while saving costs at the same time. The use of AI in customer service ultimately results in a win-win situation for both customers and companies. Opportunities and advantages of artificial intelligence in the workplace. The integration of artificial intelligence opens up numerous opportunities. Companies can reduce costs by automating repetitive tasks and using resources more strategically. Employees gain valuable time for creative, strategic, and innovative tasks, leading to higher job satisfaction. Through data-based analyses, companies can make informed decisions that contribute to greater competitiveness. Additionally, completely new career fields are emerging, such as data science, AI training, or specialized consulting, opportunities that can sustainably change the job market. The combination of human creativity and AI support also leads to new innovative business models. But alongside the advantages, as always with the topic of AI, there are also challenges. Automation of certain tasks can lead to job losses in traditional areas, which is why retraining and further education measures are essential. Data protection and data security are central issues as AI systems access large amounts of sensitive information. The question of transparency and fairness arises. Decisions made by AI systems must be understandable and verifiable to create trust. Companies and policymakers are working together on solutions to overcome these challenges and establish ethical guidelines to ensure the responsible use of AI. The societal impacts, such as changes in the workplace landscape, are also addressed. Future prospects. The workplace of tomorrow. The world of work is undergoing change. Artificial intelligence will further this change. Drive forward. Future work models will be more hybrid, flexible, and increasingly digitized, resulting in new opportunities for collaboration. The integration of technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality, supported by artificial intelligence, could revolutionize trainings, meetings, or even collaboration across geographical boundaries in the future. A more intensive collaboration between humans and machines will not only increase efficiency but also lead to more creative solutions and innovative business models. It is and will remain a very exciting field to see how these developments could unfold in the coming years and what new opportunities this presents for both companies and employees. It becomes clear that AI should not be seen as a threat but as a catalyst for positive changes. Let's summarize. AI is revolutionizing the work world, from automating repetitive tasks to intelligent assistance systems and data-driven decisions. The advantages are enormous, but the challenges and ethical questions must also be taken seriously. Yet I am convinced that the collaboration between humans and machines is the key to an innovative and future-proof working world. In the upcoming episode, we will focus on a topic that has played a very important role in the development of artificial intelligence from the beginning: AI and ethics. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about artificial intelligence, then subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any episode of the series. I am very much looking forward to your comments. Write to me about which aspects of AI fascinate you the most or any questions you have. This way I can tailor the content even better to your interests. Thank you for joining today. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video when we delve deeper into the topic of AI and ethics. Stay curious.